Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for December 2023. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ng aking Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. Please check out my online shop sa Shopee, Mystic Queen PH for protection and prosperity items, bracelets, and zodiac sign bracelets na perfect pang regalo ngayong holiday season. Dahil bukod sa mga vouchers na available para sa inyo, may 25% discount din tayo sa lahat ng items until November 30, 2023. So grab this opportunity at padaluyin ng swerte sa pagsalubong ng taong 2024. Check out nyo na yan. Lahat ng links ay nasa description. For you, Capricorn, so ito ang inyong bracelet. Meron itong garnet, tiger's eye, at gold sheen obsidian na nag-align sa energies ng mga Capricorn. So, available to sa black na box. Meron din tayong white na box. Just in case na gusto nyong ipang-regalo, no? Perfect pang-regalo. Ngayong holiday season, available pa rin naman yung naka-pouch for personal use. So, this is available sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Ayan, sa mga interesado. So, let's see, Capricorn, what's coming to you ngayong December 2023. For Capricorn, overall energy ninyo, learning. Marami kayong pag-aaralan, marami kayong matututunan, ayan. Marami kayong gusto pang alamin, matuklasan. Yung iba mag-undergo ng training, seminar, convention, or yung iba, literal, no, mag-aaral, mag-enroll sa school, no, for, para sa, gusto nyo pang ipagpatuloy ang inyong higher knowledge, higher learning, oo. So, let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Capricorn? Trust. Challenge ninyo, maaring magkakaroon ng trust issues with other people. Pwede ring tiwala sa mga ginagawa nyo. Oo. So, puro green to. This is related to your heart chakra. Possible din na baka magkaroon ng betrayal. Magkaroon ka ng trust issues with someone. Let's see your opportunity, empowerment, yes. So, this is courage, lakas ng loob, no? Tiwala sa sarili mo. I think, itong challenge mo as trust, may mga times na sinisecond guess mo yung sarili mo na, you're not good enough, may kulang pa, or hindi mo kaya. But actually, you have the opportunity to empower yourself, to improve yourself, to acquire more knowledge through learning, no? Marami ka pang ma-acquire na kaalaman sa pamamagitan ng pag-aaral, pag-explore, pag-research, so mas may empower ka. So, grab that opportunity to empower yourself and be more passionate sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo ngayon, yung iyong path, yung iyong field of work, yung career. So, let's see your blessing. Anong blessing ng mga Capi? Uy, inner child. Rose quartz. So, I feel like you are going to tap into your inner child ngayong December. You will have more fun, no? You will let loose. Kasi mga Capricorn, masyadong seryoso. So, ngayong December, you are encouraged na gumawa ng mga activities na kung saan mag-enjoy ka, magagamit mo yung creative talents and skills mo, and just to have fun. Be with your kids kung may mga anak ka na, or do fun things. Like, for example, kung dati, deprive ka sa mga bagay na pinaglalaroan ng bata pa, no? So, ngayon, why not, explore those things? Like, for example, maglaro ka sa Kidzuna kasama yung mga anak mo. Or, pumunta sa Enchanted Kingdom. Alam mo yun, just enjoy, and heal your inner child. Ayan. So, that will bring more blessings sa'yo. Yung iba naman, posible rin na magkakaroon ng anak, no? May blessing ng baby sa inyo ngayong December. So, let's see what else your overall energy, Capricorn, ngayong December. You have the Ace of Pentacles. New beginnings, new opportunities when it comes to your career, your finances. Iba sa inyo, mayroon kayong sisimulang bagong negosyo, pagkakakitaan. Ano lang to parang magsisimula ng maliit, no? Syempre, nasa sa inyo yan kung paano nyo na palalaguin, palalakihin. Halimbawa, isang maliit na tindahan and over time, kung mamamanage nyo ng maayos, pwede itong maging grocery store, diba? Yes. As long as you're open to learning. Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Cappy? You have the Fool. O, ayan. Ang challenge sa inyo is pagtitake ng risk. Kasi yung iba, maaring, hindi kayo nagtitiwala sa mga bagong bagay na hindi kayo aware or hindi pa kayo well-versed, no? Yung tipong hindi ka komportable kasi hindi mo yun field or hindi ka magaling sa area na yun. But, maraming mga bagay na pwede nating matutunan over time, and nandito nga tayo sa mundo para matuto, para mag-grow, para to experience life, no? So, as a challenge, I think yung iba sa inyo medyo takot na mag-risk, to take some risk in starting a new career, a new business, or even getting into a new relationship. Okay? So, kaya kailangan trust the unknown. Minsan mahirap mag-trust sa unknown, diba? So, let's see your opportunity. Uy, 3 of Swords. Oh, I feel like, yung iba sa inyo Capricorn, yung pain na na-experience nyo, disappointment, you're going to convert it to power. So, mas lalo kayong may empower because of that pain, because of that rejection, because of that challenge na na-experience ninyo. Kasi, maaring merong mga bagay or tao sa buhay mo na i-disappoint ka. But the thing is, sa kanila na lang ba umiikot yung buhay mo? So, syempre, hindi, diba? You have your own power, you have your own individuality, and ikaw yung merong lakas para magpalakas ng loob mo, no? To empower yourself. So, I think itong empowerment na to manggagaling to sa mga painful experiences mo. What is the blessing? Blessing. We have the Knight of Pentacles. So, this is financial stability. Slowly but surely. So, pagdating sa finances mo, stable naman siya, no? Although, when it comes to growth, it takes a lot of effort for you to do para mas mag-grow yung business mo, yung career mo. Kaya, kailangan, I think, ito rin yung time na mas medyo mag-detach ka ng konti pagdating sa pagiging workaholic, and also focus on healing your inner child and having fun. Alam mo yun, let loose, Capricorn. Wala namang masama na mag-day off ng isang araw at mag-enjoy with your family, with your friends, or even just by yourself. Treat yourself, diba? So, let's see what else for Capricorn ngayong December. Oops. Okay, kunin natin yung nag-flip. We have the Knight of Swords. May mga bagay kang mamadaliin na gawin ngayong December. Pay attention rin sa mga makakasalamuha mo, makakausap mo. Just make sure na hindi ka nagpapadala sa init ng ulo mo kasi pwedeng meron kang makaaway. You also have the 7 of Pentacles. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong patience. Slowly but surely, you are still in the process of yung nasa proseso ka ng pagtatanim, pag-aasikaso. So, although malapit na yung harvest season for you, but still, you have to keep going, no? Ito yung time na hindi ka dapat basta-basta titigil, at hindi ka basta-basta magiging kampante sa mga nasimulan mo. Still, continue to do what you need to do. Okay? And then you have the 5 of Wands. Meron ditong conflict among your peers or pwedeng sa trabaho to, no? Maaring merong very much competitive sa'yo. Pwede ring may alitan, no? Oo, kaya nga sinabi ko sa inyo kanina na maging maingat sa mga bibitawang salita, lalo na sa workplace or kung sa mga taong nakakasalamuha mo. So, pwede magkaroon ng misunderstanding. You also have the sun. So, eventually, ano man yung mga pagdadaanan mong challenges ngayong December, at the end of the day, you will feel happy and contented dahil magkakaroon to ng mga solusyon, no? Kasi andito yung the sun. This is clarity, this is energy, this is power. These are positive things that will happen to you ngayong December. And Capricorn, ang lakas talaga ng energy ng having fun. Okay? Just enjoy what December brings para sa'yo. Have fun. Okay? Dahil mas makakaramdam ka ng gaan ng pakiramdam. Magkakaroon ka ng magaan na pakiramdam just by being positive pagdating sa pananaw mo sa buhay. Let's see. I think I also see you spending more time with your family ngayong December. So, increase your efforts if you want to achieve your goal. Oh my God, this makes sense. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. You really still need to do the work. Okay? Para makita mo yung resulta. So, the more na nag-e-effort ka sa trabaho mo, sa goals mo, the more na makikita mo yung resulta ng pinaghirapan mo. It's like, this is going to be successful. You also have, some of you are going to deal with a woman with dark complexion or hair. Okay? Or pwedeng ikaw to. Or you will be connecting with this person. Pwede rin meron kang makakaaway na dark hair na person or babae. Wow, look at that, Capricorn. Opportunities are waiting for you. Merong door of opportunity that is going to come into your life ngayong December. So, take advantage of that opportunity. Yes, look at that. Problems to be resolved. So, like what I mentioned kanina, may mga struggle, may mga disappointments, but at the end of the day, may solusyon. Magagawan mo ng solusyon yan. Okay? So, let's see naman sa inyong love life for Capricorn ngayong December. Effort. Ayan. Kailangan mag-effort sa relationship. Importante para mas tumatag ang inyong relationship. O, diba? Romantic connection. You might be getting to know someone deeper, no? Pwedeng bagong relationship. Yung iba sa inyo, nandun pa kayo sa stage na getting to know each other. And also, you are letting go of the things that are no longer serving your highest good when it comes to your past. So, para sa'yo, nililet go mo na yan para hindi na yan burdensome sa'yo and you are open to new relationships, new connections ngayong December. And then, money, career, finances for Capricorn. Money, career, finances. O, talaga kayo, pinag-spend kayo ng time with nature. Kapag kayo stress sa trabaho, labas, lumabas lang daw kayo, pumunta kayo sa mga, parks, no, na nature talaga, na pwede kayong umapak dyan, barefoot, lakad-lakad kayo dyan, hug a tree, or do some outdoor activities. Makakatulong yan sa inyo to release stress. And then, some of you, meron kayong career sa media, you are being seen by the world, so if you have talents, no, ito ay pwede mong ipakita sa mundo, no? If you also have a business, it's time for you to explore yung business mo pagdating sa sa social media, no? Oo. Uso na ngayon yung lahat ng business may Facebook page, may online page. So you also have spirit animals. So in making decisions in your business or career, follow your gut and trust your instincts. So this makes sense as your overall energy, no? Yung trust. Trust yourself because ikaw ay maraming kaalaman. You have all the wisdom that you need para makapag-desisyon sa kung alin yung makakabuti para sa'yo. And final message for Capricorn. Final message. Divine service. How can you serve yourself better? Take care of yourself, Capricorn. Sarili nyo naman daw ang unahin nyo. Okay? So, some of you will do self-love, self-care, sarili muna. Oo. So, you're going to serve yourself better this December. Okay, so that is your reading. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayo updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.